Now let us consider the third example program using the do while loop. So again we will open a saved file by clicking the file menu, and from the drop down menu again select the open option. Then open a file window. We select the stored file, that is 6C. So experiment 6C is the third file using the do while loop. So clicking the open tab opens the file. Then in this file comment is written, then program to print even numbers between 10 to 30. So this program is written to print the even numbers between 10 to 30. So let us discuss this program, how this program print the number between even numbers between 10 to 30. So as usual, including the preprocessor directive hash include, standard input output.h and conio.h header files are included in this program. Then in main function, first statement is int I semicolon. This declares the integer variable I. The next statement clears up anything previously written on the output screen. Then I equal to 10. This is a control variable for do while loop and it is initialized to the 10. Then do body of the do while loop. In the body of the do while loop, again there is a condition. Including the if statement is present in the body of the do while loop. So if I modulo 2 equal to 0, we get the remainder after dividing the number by 2. What is the value of 10? That is divided by 2, and if this is equal to 0, it means that number value of I is even number. Then we print the value of that number I. So here using the printf statement, value of I is printed. So value of I is printed only if this condition is satisfied, and then also the value of I is incremented. Then condition is tested. If condition I is less than or equal to 30, if condition is true, then again body of the do while loop is executed. Suppose this time if I modulo 2 not equal to 0, then body of the if statement inside the body of the do while loop is exited, and outside of this one control variable I is incremented. So this value becomes incremented. Then what is the initial previous value? Then condition is tested. So this goes on till condition is true, that is I is less than or equal to 30. So this 30 decides the upper limit. So inserting a if control statement inside the do while loop, we print only the even numbers. If condition for even number is not satisfied, that is not true, then only control variable is incremented and condition is tested. So again, to run this program, let us compile this program to see if any bug is present. So no bug is present here. So we can now run by clicking the run menu and selecting the run option from the drop down menu. So when this program is run, even numbers from 10 to 30 gets printed. So if you want to increase the range of the number, that is not only up to 30, if you want to print the even numbers up to the 50, so place of the 30 we write here the 50, and if we run the program, so even numbers from 10 to 50 gets printed. Also, if we want to change the lower limit, then we can change here from 10. So suppose if we make this as a 20, so lower limit can be changed here. So instead of 10, if we make this as a 20, so even numbers from 20 to 50 gets printed. So if we run this program, see this output, even numbers from 20 to 50 gets printed. So in this way, using the do while loop, we can print the even number in a given range. So far, if any range is given, in that range we can print the even number using the do while loop.